Okay, so I just got my camera today, barely did any settings. It's dark outside, as you can see, and this light is from the car across from me. I'm about to go on Wegmans, get my little boo some birthday flowers. I actually met her from her coming to one of my events, and she's turning 35. So I'm about to get her some flowers, pull up to her event. I'm gonna try to see one of my homeboys on the way down there, but it's a ride, y'all. It's like an hour and a half. So let me hurry up, get off here. But we're vlogging. It's up. Like, this is what the people asked for. So let's do it. See you inside. I am at the infamous Wegmans in... Who is she? I guess we're gonna find out. I guess we're gonna find out. So we got the flowers. And we are now headed to checkout to pay for the flowers and then take this long ride into the country. So I will update y'all at our next stop. Stop by, see the homie.
What up, what up, what up?
And that's what we got going on. It's a homie from a long time ago. I stopped by. I am still on my way to the birthday party, but I had to see my folks because it was already an hour drive to get here, and I still got another 30 minutes to go. So I will see y'all at the birthday party.
I give you 2 more. You ready? If I gotta give you a 3rd more, that's right. You got 1 more.
Real haters in the building.
time. Not only did you ask for it, I thought it was time anyway. I live a wonderful life. Unfortunately, I haven't documented it the way I should have. And now you get to go on that journey with me. Alright. That's not cheese, but what you didn't want sliced cheese? You want that kind of cheese? Okay, that's fine. What you think? Focus. So I'm gonna run some errands. It was supposed to snow. It didn't really snow on my end, but it's looking like the rest of the county got a lot of snow. So come with me today as we go get a shoe rack and some hair. You don't have to go nowhere. What, a mirror?
Yes. It's so irritating because when I leave out the house, I really don't even know what I look like. I can just see the top half, and that's probably why it was so easy for me to gain weight too.
Because you couldn't see yourself.
Looking at myself every day.
It's really crazy. I gotta get back into the habit of not looking into the camera. Tripping. What it's supposed to be. That's bad. That's just $440. It sucks my dick.
It don't move or nothing, just sits.
Yeah. And then that's just the thing. That's like the pillows. Ah.
Hi. Hey guys.
So one of the good things about being unemployed is that I can run errands. There's no lines. There's nobody in the store. And when I say unemployed, I just mean the convenience of getting stuff done without the masses around. Yeah. So the good with the bad, y'all. The good with the bad. So we got the shoe rack for my kid, and now I am off to get me some hair because this wig is on its last leg. So let's go to the hair store, and hopefully they'll let me record in there and won't think I'm trying to case the place, but they should know about influencers at this point. So I'm not even an influencer. I'm not even a content creator. I don't even know why I said that. So lifestyle vloggers. I may go out and look for things to do, but nothing is scripted. Everything is just happening in real time. I don't want my vlog to look scripted. This is supposed to be about my life in real time. But like, cause I want a bomb pixie. Oh, yes.
Headliner sheet.
I haven't been here in a long time. The last time it was only 2 sides, and now y'all got 3. Y'all gonna buy the block? And I like how y'all make people wear gloves because of the different like oils and stuff.
Yeah. We sell off the mannequin as well. So.
Ah, yes.
I have bought a mannequin hair, a wig off the mannequin before. It was the last one in that color, and I was so pressed. Yeah, I was okay. March is coming up. I still got another wig on standby just in case I gotta jazz it up a little bit.
What's your name?
My name's John.
John. Did you want to look down here real quick? Because they had I don't know what you're looking for, so I don't know. There's some right here and right here.
Oh, I see. They had to put them away.
Because the niggas was stealing. Yep. Girl, they don't have none of my lashes in stock. Oh my goodness. They got hit. Goodness gracious. So what's going on, everybody? So this has been a very interesting week of vlogging. This one is absolutely going to be not just here damn footage, but it's like I'm learning to remember to put the camera in different places so we can get different angles, which angles work best. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying what's going on so far. And yeah, let's just keep the party going. So as I'm getting into vlogging more and remembering to bring the camera, that's really what it's about. Making sure that the camera is always charged, that I have all of my stuff. I hope you guys are just saying, like, for right now, it's just day-to-day logistics, being with the people, being with your family, and me learning, again, different angles. I ordered me a magnetic clamp for this device. I am loving the Action Pro. I wanted the Osmo Pocket 3 for a very, very long time. But, you know, sometimes I'd still get it. We're not going to do that. But sometimes you find waiting gets you something better, because I really like this camera because it records both horizontally and vertically at the same time. You can be, I don't want to say like I'm rough with my camera, but you can absolutely just like toss it right back in your bag, versus because the Pocket has the gimbal in it, you have to put it back in the case and all of this other stuff. So I like my camera. I like my camera a lot. Now, I don't have it to compare to anything, but I definitely have went on TikTok, adjusted settings, learn how to do different things, and yeah, like I'm happy with my purchase. And as the year continues and as I progress, the cinema will just get better. Right now, I'm about to head to Dunkin' Donuts because I went to go get some coffee out of my refrigerator. This is how long it's been. It expired December 21st. Today is February 23rd. Today's the 24th. So And shout out to Bree. As you all have seen so far, we did her birthday party. Bree turned 35, and I am going to end this vlog on the how you know you from the area when you go to the go-go and get a table. So this vlog is going to end at the go-go. We are going to have a good time, and that's tomorrow. So I'm just excited about that. The band we're gonna go see is New Impressions. When it's someone's birthday, you do the things that they want to do. You go to the places and see the bands that they want to see. I'm not necessarily a New Impressions party goer. That's the younger scene for me, but I'm gonna go and we're gonna celebrate more life for Bree. So shout out to Bree. Shout out to Brooke for being dragged around yesterday as I went and got footage and hair and all of it. They was like, come on, we're going to shoot content. So that's what we got. And as a matter of fact, hold on. Brooke has one too, okay? So this is hers. Make sure you go into my collaborative videos and see her there. She's down in the collabs. I did a interview with her. I think at this point, it's like 2 years ago now. Sitting on the couch when Convo & Co. was called Cheaper Than Therapy. So that's just how that goes. But you'll always be able to see our different point of views through our pages. I cannot tell you how often she's gonna do a vlog, so you're just gonna have to follow her and see what her point of view of our lives look like. Check her stuff out on her page as well. Brooke, it'll be somewhere here on the screen. You already know how we do, but yeah, first vlog is not doing so bad. You really just have to have all the equipment to get the different angles. So I'm happy with my purchase so far. All right, y'all. Yeah, I guess I'll see y'all soon. Woo. Got here the glazed blueberry. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Undiagnosed Baddie, which is my daily 10-minute podcast. And as you can see, I am not on set today. I have been truly working today, working hard today. And as I am true to everything that I do, y'all was still gonna get it. But of course, as you can see, I'm outside tonight. Here we go, Bree go boss. Turn around and smile for my vlog. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We're up.
Pisces, bitch. Pisces, bitch.
Pisces.
Yeah.
Tati, where you at?
I'm right here.
Okay.
Hey, look, it's Virgo gang over here, baby.
Virgos.
It's Virgo gang over
Wait a minute, here we go.
Right down,
Gemini. It's Sagittarius, because Gemini is my 6-month twin. You're the opposite placement of me, so we get in. Yes. All right. So I always talk about my unemployment and how long I've been unemployed, and going to appointments and going to social services has been I don't necessarily want to say eye-opening, but when you have to go to places like this, you see that when you are taxed, that it is for the good of people, because people can just literally fall on hard times. And since I'm unemployed, I'm absolutely getting all of the services that my state provides. Okay, take that however you want it. Take that exactly however you want it. But with that being said, I think that it is sad that a lot of seniors have to come into the building. I understand why. A lot of seniors don't have the access. A lot of seniors are not capable of getting a lot of services and moving around and doing the things that are necessary to be done. I'm thankful for my state. I'm thankful for, I will say this. The people in Prince George's County, Maryland, have been nicer than the people in Baltimore City. The people in Prince George's County, Maryland, have been more knowledgeable, patient, and yeah, I said nicer, and kind than the workers in Baltimore City. So now on to the grocery store. I want some cream of rice, and I need to get some bagels and cream cheese for the kids. So grocery store up next. Some Dunkin'. So let's get that. You can do whatever you want to do. You can do it on your terms, and nobody can stop you. It's literally your world. The limits that you have in your brain, the limits that you have in your reality, are only because you put them there. I don't have limits.